How to fix camera distortion in Realme P3. So let's start the video. First of all, clean your camera lens with soft cloth or tissue. After clean your camera lens with soft cloth or tissue, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and click on camera and click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of camera. After clear the cache memory, then go back and click on system and update. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on it and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.